Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. I had just left a job interview. Actually, I was there for a good hour, longer than I expected, but it went really well. Let's see if they like me. I am feeling a little hungry. It is now 12:30. I want to swing by somewhere and grab lunch, but I'm just glad that interview is done and out of the way. You guys know how interviews can be. It can be a little nerve-wracking, and I always wear one of these Shein tops because I be sweating during interviews, especially when there's 4 people in the room interviewing you. It can be really intense. Need some water. Let's see what is around me. Something quick, you know. Maybe I might just get Chipotle. I might just do that because Chipotle is easy, it's quick, it's not too bad, as long as it's not, you know, fried food. I am good. Today is actually Numan's birthday. He is turning the big 8 years old. Isn't that crazy? So I thawed out some ground beef. I'm gonna make him some meatballs and rice for dinner tonight for actually all of the boys, literally for Alexander, Menace, and Numan. I'm gonna season the meatballs for Alexander, and I just make plain meatballs for the dogs with no seasoning. They're gonna love it. I made it last week for them, so that can be like a little birthday celebration for Numan. I also got a little something from Amazon for him as well, so I can take a cute photo of him. It's gonna be so fun. Other than that, it's just gonna be like a very chill day. I am back home now. I'm actually locked out of the house because I didn't bring my pair of keys with me. I thought the keys that my mom gave me had a key to the front door or the back door, but she just gave me the keys to her car, so I am locked out, but it's okay. Nobody is home right now. My mom left to go eat with a friend, and so I'm just gonna eat my Chipotle in the car. No worries. I'm just gonna chill in here until she gets home. I told her not to rush. She's actually at a buffet right now eating. Got myself a bowl. I always get a chicken bowl. And then I got a side of chips for that crunch, and then add that little green Tabasco sauce. I love this one because it's like a tangy sauce. All right, cheers you guys. First bite of Chipotle. Oh yeah. I'll take my whiskey lean, like coffee black in my bed at 3. Sometimes Chipotle's chips are a hit and miss. They can be extremely stale because they be giving you the old ones, or they give you the nice fresh chips. Like today, the chips are good today. Anyways, you guys, I'm going to inhale this whole bowl, and I'll see you guys back inside the house. I am finally inside the house. Perfect timing because I just ate my Chipotle bowl, and then like 5 minutes after that my mom came home and let me in. As you guys know, it is a Numan's birthday, and I got this cute little set from Amazon to put on your dogs for their birthday, and this is my first time opening it. So there's a cute little bandana. This is kind of too big, but I'm going to work my way around it. Cute little bow tie. Look how stinking cute that is. And this is just not for Numan. This can be for Menace's birthday as well. I just want to use it every year for their birthday. But this hat, you guys, look at this little hat. I can't. This is gonna be so cute on him. And then they give you little number stickers to put on the hat for their birthday. I'm going to put this on him. I'm gonna do like a little photo shoot, and I'll be right back. Oh my God. Look how cute he looks. He's like, I hate it. I hate it. What did you do to me? Happy birthday, Mr. Numan. Got a little bow tie right here. The bandana is a little bit too big, but this is just so stinking cute. You're so cute. Excuse the laundry in the back. But hi, you're 8 years old. Let me give you a little cookie. I don't think he's going to eat the cookie right now because he's on the stool. We'll see. Ah! Happy birthday, old man. No, fine. You know what? I'll give it to you, Menace. I'll give you your cookie after I get you off the chair. Happy birthday, buddy. We're gonna celebrate you tonight. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. You're 8 years old. Tell them you're 8. How does it feel being 8? I'm 8 and feeling great. All right, I'm gonna take this off because clearly he hates it. Time to give you your cookie now since your brother took yours. Give you a nice cookie. Oh, your tail is wagging now? You happy? You happy? Do your little dance. There you go. Go ahead. Wow, it is pouring rain out of the blue. I just looked over to my left and boom, crazy rain pouring down. That's crazy. It's been a couple of hours later. I am making the meatballs right now for Alexander and the boys. Rice is cooking in the rice cooker. I chopped up cucumbers and prepared it for dinner. That is what's happening at the moment. Meatballs will be done in 15 minutes. I don't know what I'm gonna eat for dinner. Probably just nothing, honestly. I think that Chipotle bowl is going to fill me up for the rest of the day.
Sit. Paw. Another paw. Chin. Chin, 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 chin. Nè, ăn thử coi ngon không? Ngon không? Nuốt rồi. Con này cũng nuốt rồi.
Look at them. Look at Numan.
Nó làm từng miếng nhỏ. Slide cho miếng nhỏ.
So here is the ground beef with rice for the doggies. They can smell it. Where's Numan? Ah, your little birthday dinner. He's over here. Numan's a small boy. Right? Oh, you're excited, aren't you? Happy birthday, buddy. Go ahead. Hey guys, it is now a few days later. I just woke up from a nap actually, but I decided why not do a little get ready with me. I'm gonna go have dinner with my friend Alexa. I'm gonna have some tacos tonight, get some drinks, and just catch up. It's always catching up with the girls, right? We had a really busy morning, Alexander and I needed that nap so I can have energy for tonight. It's been actually quite a busy week. Again, like I said, more doctor's appointments, more appointments for Alexander. But let's go ahead and get started with doing my makeup. Where do I even begin? The last clip you guys saw was me celebrating Numan's birthday, feeding him dinner. Last few days, honestly, just been busy. Like, I went to my dermatologist appointment. She confirmed it is a cyst and she says it's completely normal getting it on your boob. My removal surgery is going to be next month. She says it's going to be really quick, takes about 15 minutes to 20 minutes to remove, and my bump is pretty tiny. It's very small. I'd rather have a little scar line than a red hideous bump that gets inflamed every now and then. That's scheduled for next month. I'm happy about that. Yesterday we found out there was a nail in his tire, so I had to drop him off at work and take his car to Costco, which was fun. I was there for 3 hours waiting for them to fix the tire, but luckily they were able to patch it up and I was out the door. But it just took a hot minute. So just a lot of appointments. And now we're here. But you guys, I have really good news. My case for my accident is officially over as of yesterday. Everything is finalized and closed. Like, I can finally close that chapter in my life, because it was just weighing me down sometimes, you know? was a 9-month-long process, and I know sometimes those cases can last longer, so I'm happy and grateful that everything is done and over with, so I can just move on with my life. Oh, and then also my mom did my nails the other day. Look at this fun bright orange. Nails are getting long. These are like the perfect length. I think they're just so pretty, fun for the summertime. The heat is no joke. Now it is just boom. Sweating. I am in that season of taking 2 showers a day now. And I got a new friend right here. What is happening? You know, I blame it on the heat. I blame it on the sweat and the heat, okay? All right. What is next? Eyeshadow. I'm just putting on whatever on my eyelid. You guys know me. I don't do anything exciting. This weekend is gonna be super chill. Today's Friday as I'm filming this, so I'm just gonna do like tomorrow. I'm just gonna clean the house, tidy up the house, and me and Alexander are gonna have a nice little dinner date together. So I'm not gonna vlog tomorrow, but it's gonna be nice just to spend some time because he had today off and tomorrow off, and usually he doesn't have 2 days in a row off, so it's nice when he does. Do you want to say hi? You're on camera.
Hi. You know what? We're gonna get tea after you come back.
If they're still open.
They're open. We'll make it open.
Okay. Next is a foundation. I need a different foundation because this is way too light for me. From Florida, I've gotten pretty tan, but it's okay. I'll just bronze up my face. I still don't know what I'm gonna wear tonight. I always do my makeup before knowing what I'm gonna wear. I think that will never change. Still loving the e.l.f.'s Camo Liquid Blush. I just love this. And I think my favorite is the Coral Crush. They're so good. So good. You really don't need to layer liquids and powders with this blush. It stays on all day. And I'm an oily person and it stays. So that's a good sign. Just look how pretty that is. So pretty. Quick makeup break. I have to show you this doggy. He's been laying a lot with his legs crossed and I just can't help it. It is just so freaking cute. Oh, I can't help it. Menace! The fan is officially on because the sun usually hits my room during the afternoon and it gets really hot here. But I'm almost done. Just gotta put my eyebrows on. Alexander was being a musical instrument.
Oh, you have to cut that out.
No, I'm gonna leave it in there.
Ah!
I'm gonna leave it in there. I'm gonna leave it in there.
Oh,
Yeah. What, do you need a fart again?
no.
Do you need a toot again?
Are you gonna blip that one?
You'll see in my vlog if I cut it out or not. No. Of course I'm gonna get rid of it. I don't want people to think you're gross. I'm gonna lose subscribers from you farting on my channel.
They might like it though. Subscribe more.
Please subscribe for more Alexander's tooting. Oops. Alright, hair and makeup is done. I blew out my hair a little bit with the 2-in-1 voluminizer. You guys know I love that thing. So, yes. By the way, I got a pair of new sunglasses on Amazon. If you guys haven't already know the whole Celine sunglasses, and then there's the dupe ones on Amazon, and apparently they're wide face friendly, but they're not wide enough for my face because my face is wide. But they look like this. I think they're so cute. And I'm just not used to wearing these type of sunglasses. I'm used to like large, big frames that cover most of my face. So you guys tell me how these look on me because I think they look cute. They're a little different. What do you guys think? Do they look good? Should I keep them or no? I think they look cute, right? They're comfortable. They're from the brand Sojos or Sohos, S-O-J-O-S. And my wide frame sunglasses that I have are from them, so I love this brand. But yeah, they came out with these Celine dupes, you know? You either pay $550 for the Celine ones or 15 bucks. You tell me. Let me know if I should keep them or not. I'm gonna keep them. If you guys don't like them, I'm still keeping them. But yeah. What do you think of these? Actually, no, I'm not gonna even ask him. Because he's always gonna say, you should get like real name brand sunglasses. A good quality pair of sunglasses. I already know his answer. But yeah. Hey. Alright, I need to figure out what to wear. I still don't know. Let's go figure out what to wear. Swung by Trader Joe's yesterday and got these gorgeous tulips. I had to. I honestly think tulips are my new favorite flowers now. I never really had a favorite flower before, but I think tulips are my new favorite. They're just so pretty. Plus they match my nails. This is so nice. I think I got a little bit too much of the baby's breath, but you know, it's still gorgeous. I love these. Anyways, time to head out. Let me show you guys my quick outfit. Okay, here is my outfit for our girls' dinner. So sandals are from Temu. Oh, you don't have to do that. Crop top that I got from Ross is actually brand new, first time wearing it. Got this a few weeks ago with my mom. Perfect for summer. And then jeans are from Tommy Hilfiger and sandals are from Temu. And then of course my go-to bucket bag that I got from TJ Maxx. And then some jewelry. This little bracelet I got from Cypress, ring from Miss A, and then this cute little heart necklace I got from Ellen as a gift. And that is my outfit. Oh my god. I swear, men always do that. Alright guys, I am back home from seeing Alexa. I had a frozen mango nata margarita and I only had like this much of it. I was already feeling buzzed. I couldn't finish the drink, but overall it was a fun time hanging out with her, and the restaurant was super cute. It's more so aesthetically pleasing. The food was okay, but the restaurant was cute, so we took some cute photos there. But anyways, yeah, I am home now. It is 11 o'clock. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off this makeup, jump in the shower, and I can't wait to lay in bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video here so I can start a new one in a couple of days. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.